on here users, IAM users. Once you log in, so you also log in here. Okay. So you search for IAM user, okay, or you access this IAM. Then you click on the users. Okay. See, I have created 2-3 users here. Okay. So it's Neelanchal, Santosh, all that. Okay. So then you associate with the access key. Okay. And you create access key, and then you create a group also to that particular user. Okay. I will see the user groups here. So I have created administrators, okay. Then I have added it the users here. Okay. 3 users I have added. Okay. So once you add that to the users, okay. So you need to give the permissions here. Okay. So there will be roles. Okay. You need to give that policy which you are going to give the access to the particular user here. Okay. So once you are done with that role, okay, what you do, you create a access key. Okay. So I will go here. So I have a user here, user 3. I will go here for Neelanchal. Okay. So then what I will do, I will create an access key here for you. Okay. So this, it will show you the why he required a access key here. So whether he wants a command line interface so that he can directly access it through Cloud Shell or a browser based CLI. This is the Cloud Shell. Or he wants to directly access through Amazon CLI version 2. Okay, this you will install it, okay, on your local machine. Okay. So once you install this, then you will do the AWS login. Okay. So this you are going to use it on your local. Okay. This is going to connect to the AWS directly with that credentials here. Okay. This is your command line interface. Okay. So local code is you want to execute the code here. You want to execute some code here. Okay. So this is for running application on a AWS compute service. So this I required it for running the application. Okay. This is for third party services. Okay. Like I want to run a third party service, that is why I am using this. Okay. So then you will be running the application outside the AWS. Okay. And you want to use this particular access key. Okay. So I understand this. I will take a graphical presentation also for this. Okay. So then I am going to click on next. Okay. So this I am going to create a description tag, access key. Okay. So now I am creating the access key here. Okay. So this will be very secret and private here. Okay. If you share it, like it is just sharing like a password only. Okay. So I don't have any issue. Okay. I will share the access key. So this is the access key. Okay. So I will copy this secret key. Okay. And then I am pasting it in the chat itself. Okay. So now I am done. Okay. I can download this CSV file also, VLAN shell access. Okay. So I am done. Okay. So now if you want to access it, okay, so let me access it. Credentials here. So now you create it. So I will pass it here. Copy this range, all these four possible networks. Just that's it. You copy it, you put it in Notepad. Okay, put it in Notepad. Okay. So now you go back to your subnets there. Open up now your subnets. Okay. So subnet calculator here. Okay. So that is 10.0./26 you have allocated that, and 128 you have allocated. Okay. So for 128 you make it as dB. You go to your notepad now. So you design it. Okay. The last one you remove that. The last IP you remove. No. Last IP. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. That IP address. Yeah. Remove that. 10.0. You make this as reserved. Make it as space reserved. So this will be you are using it for future use. Okay. So now you click on that, the other one 191. You remove that one, that IP address also. So you remove this IP address, 63 IP address. Okay. So that will be not usable. Okay. That will be your broadcasting. Okay. Remove that. This one also you remove. Okay. This is your application, and this one will be your database, the last one. Okay. Now you specify, go and specify it. So you created two here. Okay, 120/64, and you have done it for the other one. Okay. Now go to subnets here. Okay. So 128/26 means this is your database. Okay. Or you can make it as application also. Anything is fine. So you make this as a database. Okay. So if you are following the naming convention, use the same naming convention. Project 01. Okay. Subnet database. So now you create a subnet here. You create a subnet. Okay. Now select the VPC. Last one, my VPC public. So that also you need to specify it as a project 01, and you name that as a project 01, whatever you want. Okay. Project 01 subnet, you need to make it as this is a database. Okay. Database. Now create it. Okay. Then you create that application then here. Okay. So application. Okay. So now you modify the CIDR here. Come down. So So you will be having the same IP subnet here. Now you change it here, this one. So that will be in the same CIDR. So now you go back to here, subnet CIDR here. So now you type that greater than arrow /26 you type there, /26 .0.3.0/26. Okay. Now you put that greater symbol there. It will give you that IP addresses. Now you see. Okay. So you click on one more. This you have used it for database. Okay. And now click one more. That's it. Okay. So more than that you cannot do. Okay. You click on again one more. It will not give you any option. Click on that arrow. See, that is blocked. You go to your notepad now. Notepad ++. You are seeing this 4 only, right? Okay. This is how you are calculating it. Okay. Now you are creating the application here. You go there here. You specify that 64. So you have only 4 here. Okay. So now you go back to less arrow, less than arrow there. One more. One more. Okay. 64 it will come. Now you scroll down. So now you are specifying this as a name. Okay. As the value here. Okay. Then you click on create subnet. Create subnet now. Huh? You can use any name. Okay. Project 01 application. Application or subnet, anything you can use. Application subnet. Create subnet. So here also you specify the name here. Application project 01 application subnet. Save. Okay. So now you click on the subnets in the VPC. Click on that. So now you scroll. Now you see that IP addresses there. 10.0.3 /0, 10.0.3.64, and then 3.28. Okay. So your so now the other person, other people also you do the same thing. So now what you do, you create an internet gateway. Create an internet gateway. Okay. So you have, can you scroll towards your right? Okay. So click on that one. So you attached it to any VPC here. Click on internet gateway. Let's create one more here. Click internet gateway. So my internet gateway, you make it name tag my internet gateway 02. My internet gateway 02. because you are already having one gateway here. Okay, 02. Okay. So you will specify in tag gateway 02, IGW 02. You now specify the name. Wait. You didn't create that name tag there, so that got removed there. No. You go there. Is there my internet gateway 02? You specify it. Gateway 02. Okay. So create a gateway, internet gateway. So you remove this one more tag here. Click on that. Create new gateway. Click on that. Click on that. Okay. So you have created a internet gateway here. Now you attach it to our VPC. Click on that actions. Attach to VPC. Select our VPC. My public VC, right? That is the one. Okay. So this is using the same CLI commands here. Okay. You specify now. You select that. Okay. So in AWS, wait. You select this platform here. Linux OS. You click on this Windows command prompt. Click on that. Okay. So now you copy this command. Okay. Now go back to the CLI, Amazon CLI. Your AWS CLI. No, not there. In the command prompt, you come command prompt. Now you paste it here. Enter. Another record, invalid gateway. You go there, inside that visuals, click on that create, attach internet gateway. You click on that attach gateway. So it attached it here. Means that command prompt is, that command is not working. Okay. So now you attached it to your VPC public 01. Now you click on that VPC ID. Now click on that again, scroll towards your right, you see what is the range. Okay, that is our policy area. Okay. So here you have attached it to the internet gateway, that CID here. Okay. So now you click on that NAT gateways. Click on the NAT gateways. Create a NAT gateway. Okay. My NAT gateway. You specify my NAT gateway. Okay. So if you see it here, you select the VPC here. Your VPC. So you are getting this as a public. Okay. So we don't want to be public NAT here. This should be private. Okay. So you click on zonal now. Okay. Now you click on that subnet. So now where that subnet is our application subnet, right? Project 01 application subnet. Yeah. Click on that. now click on that private. So now the traffic will not reach the internet now. Okay. So this will be from private, you will be reaching it to the web server now. So that is how we are configuring that. Okay. So scroll down. Okay. So here number of auto assigned private IP address, you click on that number here, how many addresses you want to auto assign. You specify 4, any number you can specify. Okay. Click on create, or else you can use tags also. Click on create NAT gateway. So from application you have created a NAT gateway. Okay. So now we will be having a transit gateway between database and application. Okay, we'll see this tomorrow. Okay, what we have done. So this whatever you have done, I hope you have not got what exactly we have done. Okay, tomorrow we will see this. We will see the continuation. Okay.